Hi there. Today I will be guiding you to how to combine two images in Leonardo, as you can see on the homepage of leonardo.now. In order to combine two images here, you can see the icon of Canvas Editor. Click on it to get access. Now here you can edit images or you can generate images by writing prompt. And you can edit all the things here. The first thing you do is choose the number of images, and then choose the image dimension and what you have to do. Take a look on the left side, you can see the icon upload, click on it, and upload your both images which you want to combine. Let me click on the first, and then click on the icon confirm. Now adjust the size of the first image. Now upload the second image. Do the same, adjust the size. As you can see, the both images are combined. Now, in order to download, click on this icon download, and now it's the downloaded. Let me open it, and you can see that both images are combined, and that's it.